Alright, these are lights on my Jeep. Most of you have seen them. Got my custom mount here, Zombie Hunter mount. That was custom made for me. That's all ran off of this remote here or your phone. So I got these lights in the bumper here. These lights are the normal halos. They don't light up at all. So I'm replacing them with these. These are from the same company. It's the Nicoko lighting company. Really like these guys. They've been working with me for quite a bit now. So I got those. It's going to come with the same style remote and whatever as that. It's going to come with a bunch of wiring and your controller for that. And there's the other one down there. So that's just for the fog lights. They're going to make the fog lights looking awesome. So what I got in the box here. So apparently the one box comes with another box. Let's open up this box. Alright, so that's what it comes like. This part is really important. Doesn't look like it has any connectors at the end, so take note of that. This is the main brain of the operation here. Then you have your little, another same remote as the other stuff. And then I'm gonna just kind of dump this box out. Comes with a bunch of little boxes. There's a little box down there. Come on. There we go. So it comes with a bunch of little boxes like this. That's empty. And each one of these little boxes will contain, let's see, probably a bunch of wire and one pod. Here's your one. Oh, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 pods. Or are those mounts? Here we go. These are some pods. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's interesting that it comes with mounts and the pods, and all the boxes are the same. So each box is going to probably have different contents inside of them. Like this one might have wiring in it. Just wiring in that box. That's what the wires are going to look like there. They're really simple to connect. All the other stuff that they have is the same wiring. So yeah, that's what all the boxes are going to be like. Either wiring or pods. There should be 12 pods and a bunch of wire. Yep, there's more pods. That one has pods and, no, that's just pods. Perfect. Yep. Just wire in that box. That's 1, 2, 3 boxes of wire. And so far 2 boxes of pods. What's the last one gonna be? Pods. So there's 4, 8, 12 pods and all your wiring. 4, 8, 12 pods and all your wiring to go with it.